Canada Tortoise Capital with Sniper Trade of the Day for June 3rd, 2026. So this came from exactly one of the setups from the modified sniper from yesterday, and that was Walmart. The black box at 1 is the high and the low of yesterday's range, which put it in a critical state. That blue line is the top of the range. The second blue line there is a local resistance level. You can see that's the peak of the RL10. It couldn't get any further up and it pulled back to the long-term VWAP. At 2, we have the last 30 minutes of the day, so I use that again as a reference. At 3, there was no gap on the opening, but it immediately started taking off on very heavy buying volume while the rest of the market was stationary or losing. And so this looks exactly like the recovery from a steep sell-off and people buying Walmart on sale. So when it broke above the local resistance here from yesterday, I bought a position at 4 with a standard risk box at 5 below the 30-period PSAR, so that's a manageable risk. Went through the previous day's high at 6. I got filled at 7 on the second position because why not? That's 2R in hand. And then for the next 30 minutes, it climbed. It peaked right about here with the RL10 rolling over at H, so I should be stalking an exit. In retrospect, I should have exited at 9. That would be consistent with my practice of using Dragon as the buffer. But Walmart was in day 1 of a recovery. It was doing very well while the market was suffering, and I decided to hold on longer. In retrospect, I should have exited at 9 and stalked for a re-entry. I lucked out. It continued to move. This time I was determined to follow my rule and exited at 10 on the second, after the second leg up and collapse. I felt like I was taking advantage of my luck of not following my own rules. I hope not to do that again. And the exit was taking place right at the RL10's PSAR and the violation of the Dragon. We're still above the VWAP. We've got the SMA 30 rising. The rest of the day was just kind of a grind. And it closed at 11. And the VWAP was here at 12. So that's what we got for today for the Sniper Trade of the Day. Pretty good trade. The swing trading one day at a time is this technique that we think about. If you look at that first position with this much risk, you get about 1, 2, 3, 3.5 R on the first position, about 2R on the second position. So that's $5 return for each dollar of risk in that position. You can make a living on that. This is Canada Tortoise Capital. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.